de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa media me dwuma media ne se me nya me som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka wisia mobro wafo bodi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo meye wo ba ni nya gidie se wo ba no na se wanka se mu problem na be dey e be solve gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase obi o e dey ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me sesi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba ebe pie me so no ye ka che wa be yo hwanwan na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be de ba bia wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hwekura me so wo de beda anyi achinyi bomode abra na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese ye me number wo hwehwe makira kwa ade benyam ye 0243 35 65 83 bra na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese ye amen.
Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who dreaded there. You could brew. Who said that will complain with Sissy Koowaa? Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who drank a sepan and neck. You could brew. William, a yama money mema, Edusa herbal mixture, and you Edusa herbal capsules, and your Koowaa Sicilian drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma Jina Brani. Na yemme.
Ah! Na Edusa ya wasa se me brabo we.
Sweetie, me be come mama adwamwa.
Hey! What dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What can't yeah, damn
separate. Obie Timinumbi. I just a pin for one woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA, I should share a dreading cat to him. I dear to say a ye.
Mama, your mama in a chill and your more cover and Mobako regimented so Kumawood TV and then so you better or body and I say, Sanadum no, I can say, oh, no, minister, Namboja, a dear for Sunny, away, Yabano, Nasser Pedia San Yaba. Yet the stories making headlines in the world of shoppers, you know, and Yabo Buano, 7 pages, to be up to so amongst one of the also our social media. So, me at Diane, I do him, but from now. So 8:30 a.m. I sang at Yami Musono. I am faster than my abuwa. I mean, much bread. It's a music at Chichi. I just say a snake and maybe a brown. As that a coma CJ fashions. Come out your bread. A shaman every single morning. What I'm born is so simple. And see, okay, we are not afraid. We are coming as someone. 0268 505021. 0268505021. Open up. Or say all local fabric clothing, all kinds of clothing there. Open up. Fabric to be open up. Or the big designer at a jam. I'm also on my face. Say, cook na unit, you know. Event I woke up and say, what's a long sleeves, and I say short sleeve, and I say short sleeve. Yeah. What the other say, what's your brand now? Or say obesity. I'm also CP, etc. Or I may come. Ash FM, any sweet FM junction hall, and a billboard no AC. Directly opposite or Danny Sport, Let's Rap, and a Banyo Pub. And to me, so I don't play Koho na on your fine. The patrol and cry, and ma, any mementary now, or Jebre, a unina, which you got never to him, who per se ocean answer, a pin last respect up. But the anything, but for my CJ, or 0266505021 now on my own son. IFA. As the PSA and combat Lucky Princess Makeup, one more and a unity at the moment. Mami you say or Bantima Unity Oil filling station and now Obutua Ojinejuma. So go there, open weight, open makeup, so we stand there. Mami you say or wow, ama when you're 3 years duration course. That was why a grade, beautician. Papa. Well, as the PSA be on my Encoma at the San Herbal Center for Mammy Edison, what promote to say, and if you're down or paid in Chasono, and if you Kumawood TV studios her at the Airbrow or Sebra, and I can take it out bottom pim, or when it pedimo, or the Lupina, how my living see every side, I'm Akuma, it's me out of him. A banner say infections, etc. Uchi, number one, sir, and can't a design about capsules. Oba ebema hifio no ejina brane ebema sepse bimpedi asa wo mayo mo SCP esita ebema sepse bimpedi asa odofo ba won chen a obedidi akwani prino akwani princess so won fi yo wo so no ebia edi mo fefefe bema dun sa era obema mo eya eya na se bi otimo mo se enso trotro na if you obema mo na eba no make am for edisa herbal capsules every amount said maybe be and you're free to go. Maybe a very fantastic every amount. Mammy, I understand I will come assist me macro. Go filling station hall and Obutua, Ojini Juma, and Senana Pochini Bench, bra. Now one son or more only be better and fancimo. Maybe be any common as a upon them. Intimate any over there. As if you were encoma or D4 Nana about Japan Chrome Papa Machion. Seventeen and watching see ya. Nan person who say papa e juma or sebra we shape you any normal NCC so no 7 pages and tabrino na fa ne bra na kache na onsane ade informa na who say oba de adoma chede na ode a cheno no sebi onyusu ne biara ne mum no onyusu ne ye pa obesa de hye no ya de ama ama sebi adwumu kadia e wono so no efri ne so kasa basbasta so shantari to me say nkoyi se ni tinyo say den showada Uchi na falo kuma OD4 nana yekwa e wo japeko na onye omwa e na no pay the numbers no e to the chichi e wo screen so na wafa na woni no e di kita so next step wow e kwan so as debut my enkoma e Dr. Amagana. Doctor, how are you doing this morning? I greet you, bring you fantastic greetings from Koowaa TV. Doctor say oh e kumase kwada so directly opposite the Women's Trading Center. And so why run these are the Women's Trading Center. And I'll be home. Dr. Amagana or the Nubina Hamani do see a besa there, a banner diabetes, so a banner pressure, a banner candida, a banner syphilis, so a banner the Yadia bottom him, a system no mono. Jebre na bookness will come and say quadra so directly opposite the Women's Trading Center. Now, Doctor. And say no informal diabetes is the alternative. Now pressure the 24 hours. Let's just say a few swans that pressure no be stabilize amount to my order. And cry the na and cry with your moya and cry so almost so and then no me mobi in your go there and what going say you. Tronaka say any diabano near far high no and say no. A high now will tell like a couple and I would eating a juma and your life will never be the same. The number is not at the teacher screen as a fact. Now, when they're not educating come on, and when we are open or the Ebema, I'm also with him at me. I are the day, and I don't pay with them, and I want at every one was sick at you. I must say, and so I ain't yasim me. That's what I bet now. Ever so much, some papa, no ras some darkos, executive producer, it's intimate celebrity, so dear mammy. Produced by Queen AJHC, Lord New York or MCS, or what piatum, send a bear on so watching bench or televisions are hold on so now Ochinos or me director or no so no Ekasakumas say go action any idea now could be frank and so etching come on and see us so no Yabani they are they should be live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, should be live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. Like I always say, whilst you're watching the show, you share for others to be part of, right? Yes. Share the program. Today is a Friday, and definitely we're going to speak English. Not a part of the show, no. We're going to speak English today. I brought Atnasi, and then let's see I brought Brofono. How Obebu boom. Let me see the nation's uncle. They're adorable. I could grab a coupe, our name on Nakasan Wofasi, Ebisia kind, ever your brofo Casemono, and name a baby G. And Yancy Kuma. Then the WhatsApp line at the screen or so. What the answer of you drop all your messages there. making kind in the amount and all of our programming. So comment section I'm here on Facebook Live no. The patron as someone on Facebook Live no. You can drop your comments there via the comment section and I'll read all of them for you this morning on the show. Na Micha Bushman International baby Ubia. Say me the first story ebrewa. Na mama fight in chance sono ekokoma nana yokohima. Mame ko hoti say na no pay. Ichapa e me chia bomb so ma so na ma se bisa mo me no say mompo mo eti say me say erade na do mo no ohun eye na me chia me mame Georgina e wo kokobe mame ochina me say eye no e paso na me ba do de bia me de ma no edu ho na so man ka read if me program na me say they can't on we ga papa so ochina me ba do ta wo chi so kokra na me osha no chi obusa ni na area mame Georgina e kokobe I love you more Afakaba
yeah cool down
on what to say
and
then soon at all
as I grow
atop papa
who I made my bedroom and I have person
what did it say
stadium bottom
why
a channel
a channel de obwa we kwa de ya fachem
means you which you would have Ubeja will be a target. They
don't touch me, channel jump.
And then I make a talk with you. Diane, Radia idea, and then saw the archibald. And I'm doing my own modern uncle may train a foot to it to a foot to the baby mamma pants and Diane and one no. It's Monday, now yet him gone. Monday to Thursday, if you had another and no, I don't know. And one them me say, my motivated more. But I know you are motivated enough wherever that you are. And no. Now, yeah, good, yeah, not Andy. Okay. A mechanic. It has some comfort. The beyond who can share. Okay. Indeed, Metiana Pass and of the Omofi at Kumawood TV. Now, me design and so a this collection. I will must have paid a film. A deep boy, Juma, a dynamic show.
Hi, darling. How are you, bro? But when I said it is a mintabu, I said, when you and she's uncle, was it on why I could cry? I could cry with funny. I wouldn't need it. Because I could cry with you could never get together. Maybe Uncle Bema ever say that. I need not come away. And a Bema so it is so which every year, and young year different. And maybe you don't go for high me queen you. Said I was in freaking teeny. See. Then I do my dear chin. That's me this shoe. I love your shoe. I love it. But I've windy any dinner. The chairman. The chairman, yes, sir. Naja, woman, my second can. I never by my function and answer them so. Simon, I see a person in there. Then I'm out me a year. I did see the Asabamania couple say. You should not turn again in the name which me are crying. Now the other drew Kumawood, a film, and the Koowaa Show at the bus. Said if you had a BA and I am a timber for some more fantina. Also, a fatty one cool school to the shadow for some motion could see and then my share the go for packages in the Abba. Maybe we know of an vessel. Now, if you best as a moon share, and then I be a year now, you hear me. Oh, and seminar year come on. Your mind gun and year until an applied to solve 435 bets now 7 years. I should say, for it was so bad. Would you say, Maunia? Only you be with so Android phone, no email address, just for linking the person. Or first, I didn't tell you, I had the kind of crap. The air and Trody Binian, we say, for Hannah Broana, in your band. Well, my mother, your father, we are not. But the first story, a baby, na first story, no, because so shape video, no, I'll give you explanations, the more details about the video. Watch it and we'll be back. Stay with us on Koowaa.
Mushadi. Emrasi will be some pan or the idea we manga samugana from what they say. Yeah, 3 feet into her, Umabu them moi to go for. Because to me, or Hiniri. In Tigana for one who had with a year.
Yeah, video ya o hwe yi. Eye edan bi a eye techima hene ne yire. Na edan ya yebubu no good efom no. Ohemne no eyire se. Obi abeto asase ewo ne nchemu. Na ne fie na wosi no 3 feet. Nipa kro na afa na asase no 3 feet. Nti onu akwasi ni dan na wie no. Ena ohene ne yire akum budan no fo. Owo bu agufo me fiti na nkofo bebre ono ma obi onmuni nkofo ehye eye asase bonja no omu wi asase ni bi ekọ omudi mu. Osi ne dan na watwe ne dan wa wi askakra. Ebi asa ne wo kra na akwasi obi diem kakra. Eni adeade ena ohene yire se hye dadada. Me budan na gufom if you say 1.3 feet of my plots. What I know was 3 feet. Masasi 3 feet. I bet you would you put down a and on him and year no put down. Hey, Wafa 3 feet. Oh,
Diane. William Bunyanko, when she touch my henny. Now, when she and a so and come home.
sir.
Yes. Na me aboni ase na odi baby a show on sase oni so na mpa omo pese no kure ani pepe ye adwuma dan me ko ana kakra me kan se adwuma ne etie ano pe ya isi awradi nchira no ne wo fa na ekase na oma me kwan kakra na se de yati ni za na tie dia ni nchi ne yire nim kakra bi ko me wo fa ase no na he ma de no yem gura de semsa o hene yire ta se ni ye no kura mpa ade no yem gura de semsa Danyan, if you ask a ya timi, sike kura ye, ahudi ekura ye nyina no. Se wu a, ye 6 feet. Danyan obi asifie, e won 5 bedrooms or da baako na mpa ne se sifa. Empa kro na kro sa da fa na ade ache. Obi da ye se ona ne ho biem na ade ache. E de na yere gie. E de na wo gie. To de be a leadership. Muntimi set example many pa kon no sabi position. Ani ayi na ye de ya hanta ni dwei. Na me kenkan bi fa sabi leaders ho ma me hwese me huna eye bolofo de na me mia mani fa kakra ma emma omo no mo nhwa de so obi ye leader ene ma ya na ohia otimi de ye leader ede enie danyan ede pa na ekoso wasetena we mu asabe ye ma me nom ne ye papa nom etete ye sa danyan position bi te se honorable ohene ene ade omu ni nyamesi ukura utimi ye sa ade ni ase. The Bible also tells us how to live honorable with good reputation. James chapter 3 verse 13. But see, if you are wise and understand God's ways, prove it by living an honorable life, doing good works with the humility. They came from wisdom. The way to living an honorable life is by doing good work with humility.
Okay.
Diane, it is a subject what by your hene. That's the opposite live good life, honorable life. You go position be that also. You see, you answer for our genimu. What you say? Now, for brown once, and no, and a mere only say honorable net that was one, and penny dear net that was one, a year Juma.
All right.
Junior and I, my young brother, anyway. Near an I, my young Sunday woman, a Bible can watch them. It was Jensen, away. Assassin Moana Moton. It is a sub will be abato. No, I trash him bar. Also, only so in 50 natos men tested down. Quan and chain. Mini and yes, any trauma. Intimate throw. Other suburb, why you don't just cack and I make cram on and Pessameton. And you will come about your Hocacrano, who be here free. Not for what 1 many pound. My young woman, dear Chili. Not dear Abba.
Put it in a good form.
Ruby to me talk, I was a time upon no matter. There's a sub will be out them 250 pa. A young Quan Abros and Anahima. I want to miss that example many pemu. A dear name Guasian. A dear Wayano, won't come at you. Yes, I won't penny for crossment. Manessa, made a mechanical domain. Echo this and near my best seller.
I put in a good form. Oh, really? When you need any film, no one see. Only not assassin no infinity. When you film, no one see. No one see that many people. So when see a man, no, because of the power vested in him as the king's wife.
Stadium for bed domino. Because I would have your body as no be anti as a TC Camano. Or him, I didn't go to the assassin, or some of the be a meteor to many. Okay. na sabe obi abona sas na tena so didibi na twem ya enka tete kura na nka yenim no ne yenim ne sa wo firi kurom na se sabe wo bobra kakra na betima sidan a o de kotu kurom hinanim de nsako na we de oba makọ bobra wo kontu makakra ba e be se me make bibi wa aso ane ye kwa na afo ha aha ye to bo kra na ye de achew ene ani brent moton ye to na sabe Moses ye kakra first na 100 by 100 ene etimi twan 70 by 80 let's say nipa na nwusa first no turn 100 by 100 na wa ye na 80 nti odi na mo mi ense so na aba 85 a ene enko a awa hima je ko budan nyina wonya de oye wonya de
obetimi e de na famra kwan so wa ben mo no
na ga no mbe fiu na kamera kwan de wodi mfa ne mfa so obi bo okro no a emfa tumi nhyɛ wonsa
okay
emfa ne se nipa kro de proto ye kromfo uni right also di tumi nhyɛ wonsa ko budan ne gu odi asem na so de ne famra kwan se ne na di ogi tumu a na dodo ode fa e ka wase ye bo ne ma no ya bo amam ope wa de afa na koto option se wa mu ayen ya be ba be de abuagu eno ko enya dan ni nyina ade anie na ye ba ye nuanom so mo so ni brain sase na ne dan abuagu no nso so nyame na atua ne ka bi no ono de edie nkra sem no ukọ osika timi to 1 prot what me atua 3 feet na de na be ye wo sa 3 feet ketua bi na ade che ho a omoni brade a obi nya sika na obetena man ntam a semu a mo wodi obenya nka mo nyina mo da mo ntoma no obenya mo nyina mo ntoma na nka ho kakraka nyina enya ne dia because wanya sika na mo de muntu nko akurase eno sa na se wote be nsuo hu a na obeto nsuo hu asase na ofele na agensi mu na nsuo ni tumo oye sa na utu anu aje odi na ka ho na ofele sa na otol fofofo na ode ko na me na atua ne ka bi no onse fifie na obere pe ye nyina na ni bere na ode che na bra ba asesa anu ani bere na ba wie na wie ye bone ko onya ni bere fu a wasase ye de ma no eno ana ka be di so ni ensa pe 3 feet ya ye kan wa ta afa kan ene dia na be bere
ebi so ana wan sheda ba de bia wo obi so na ma ni ko
wa sheda ada no no anfa ne dia 3 feet am obi so wan sheda dia ke hu ye wasie wie na dia 3 feet aka akire na ba na minim sa hampo kam dia o ya kakwa ni ehunu so so wan sheda na obi dia ba fra o dia wan sheda na wuja bia mo obi afa dia utimi hu no to e ndima sra o mo so saafo no o munya isa suban Mr. Tias ye krom go so ye bi sika ni bi be top prot na asa onya na sika fo bi fie na ewu krom e na obebugu no to there's a prot ni sent no what me man temo akati mi afa de akati mi wura obi ono so ba o hini die ye bi sa me papa no yare oba no ato ni se go so hene kura ntimi nka na me papa de pikas ya bumi ensan firim no ma fra na ba am friend bom se ada na ade no wabu no se na auto prot na edu he ye betena krom anu aba wo sika cha me hia me cha me chini sem hunu tiko wachi wan tia usidu mebudu
nti ko si sen
now they are missing no nim no
abro
dan money bio ba mi ti ahwefo ye ndo mo ase wo e pasi o mo sorry o mo hwe ansa o mo akomo ni maso
okay
dan mi sono na me ma me ka se mi se mauli eduani a enfu ma me kopot so no ani e tachi etuade se me ma me befe na eduani bi so na nya ma me kopot ne so no pedi mi wu ami ana me wu owe ni dan no no na ebu no no hima na ebu no
ya de dia
dance etie se be ya tasase ni bi esifi se o tasase ni e ma 20 by 10 kura wo pe ntina utua e ana wo mramu se wasase na no se wo tu wo mpo a e se wo ma some feet kakra bem from the next se yakwan a e se wo ma feet kakra bem how much more say we enye wo tie plot na nkasa na say wo to wo fa na no ani mpo na say wo ma space kakra bem enkwa bonto e ba wudie ni mu ba we de dan na nkasa mom atra wo na atra 3 feet ti one na obu dan no e ni bre na ebu ni dan ma no na obi be kase e no hima na anya de no hima na ohima no super 3 feet no e de esi na dwae ana ode anya ni kokko
ti ko de chana na yede
somehow but a sumu obi pay e 100 Ghana cedis busume ba me catch us any dressing a chain bank manager bi iti obi ade ketwa no e ya de mu ade ma no dan ke yenja sa de na ese yenye sketi ye munimpa na obeti area bi ehiafo bi atena obi be 40 years 30 years na skeri bi enyiska no wura mpenifo mani e de wode ama no onka bi semu ana patutu ni ebu da atu egu because when yes kenti na wo mu ade a na nana odi asase ma on yire a plot na wo twa kom asema ne yake wabu me mom dey me support bu no me support pa because then ya koye say kroma say no so binye sika omunimpa because then yesu ehien intimacy abronsan na wadan ye flow one room ko flow so that is saying na abronsan si itie ye bua pa ni da ho do se fie no se bi se fie ponko ho da o former no hweso ho iti plot munim na no na dan onim yesi baby awusie free baby na jebi hyase me nya sure say abronsan ye pagya besi wo one day say bura and kosi 3 feet so anye ye kromani bebo maame na amane
okay
minim for sure say ye koma ye bo say bia warning bi koye but odini wudi say sabi bia no otumi bi ntino misie kosi hwe ye bu no court de be kire me atre court de ma ya ma order say obi ani be ma no ware ne maame asase so ana be ma no sabi ni jimi ntine memo mo jimi o musi dan so mo yire maame mo plot so no okosi dan di si so ana ware guo bae ana osi oje ne dan na mo so mo ji o mo plot court odo me ebudan ni guye peta o dan ko asase ni ebusu asase o mo so mo ji iti me wu dan a court a odo me ebuda awu krom ha sei.
And see, what was the sense in that?
The sense in what?
The sense in the fact to say, assassin yeji.
So Fa dan ko.
And to bugu ye na munya assassin ye.
Dan anu so no kwa wale ni mu na owo mma na no so eja won no che ya na nka ye dan. So wo mma o. Dan ko so che na this dan. Mo mo yin twa de bi say, ade anya wo de ano. Wo da e kitu ekesi o, please don't touch it. Obi no obi ti potum say ni nu ho tie no ni fu kakra be do bi kwa yam na watam no de ko ye ti ni abu na say o ye fa no ko police station ni ase agoto du ande ama no what a plot 80 by 90 di samra no so enkotra itimi do hima no de so obo boys pa no bu no kura mesre no akakakra onse mbu nka ho
I can't go to money down. Maybe so we there. Nyame mo abutre because I think it's very painful. But advice was saying
which one is the painful? No?
It's painful so far than you bugu.
But now you happy so for him as
not necessarily so.
So obi dey painful. O him so here na say.
What I was trying to say is say.
Obu na yire kromu na yire. Say people want to be mbu mampani. On him or the assassin ma o yire. Na sase wo se ni muo de dan yanka no kwanchi nipa sabe say wo bu kromu heni a wo nya sa de no.
That's what I'm saying, say it is wrong. Even baby hono ma eya na ye ton sase na ye twura nkofodi and very bad. Wo kan pe one your cry na ye kun cry there ato atwene. But with this the people are sympathizing with him or her say enke nu kwan say oh hene ne yire no ye den ebu asas. But you know no
sympathizing na yire say na nkanya say akwa no so tweba na sase no so.
Mate, I know say you never, agree with me. But the fact of the matter is say anybody, you enjoy any brain. Now what you now what's on, just stick to it and be free. Couple of messages. If Fojo is watching us, P Solo says I think that Pastor Solo says that I love this show so much. We love you right back. He said good morning to you too. If we want to say wherever that you are, good morning to you and thanks for watching us. He said good morning to my sweet bishop, pastor and our bro. If this is a sweet Diane, please, you and your crew have a blissful weekend. Thank you. Derek Kakari says, good morning, madam. And all the crew. God bless us all. God bless you right back. Our French brother says, bonjour, Jolie, Diane, and Offa. Bonjour, monsieur. Yes. Everybody says that the woman is very mad. It was a bishop because the law is not working in Ghana. That's all this thing is really going on. If what it says that the woman is very, very stupid. Oh, come on, my dear. Sorry about that one. Sorry, yeah. Thomas Chiba for William says that I am pleased. This is the knowledge that our leaders are lacking. Always fooling. God will judge us all. Derek Kakari says, Ken mother, or probably the it's not a Ken mother, it's the Ken's wife. It's a reference or him. Okay, so the princess rather. The princess. So the princess no and Anya dear, but no so say any ya say what did you rat na assassin? I say I don't know with your wish and sympathize. Yeah. Heavy duty magistrate says a good morning, Koowaa family. Watching you live inside Accra, Medina. How are you doing? Thank you for choosing us because stations no adults and so what's the Diana? You better was it. Derek Kakari says that Ken's wife didn't actually do well. I'm going on. My second story, I'm going on paying and say British journalist Bia, you cool no, and then the body no, and couldn't chrome. If you be doing.
Sir akwambuka fo akwakoto ahyenkrofo bi sunam so ama ingresi ni de hye oyensan dwreni ade ama adwumaku ani de ye MTA wahwe ne kwa ya ena posifo enam de abetu dwa kire mu se abrantie no mo di emu no atoyemhye mu ede ko ni nchi se mpedefo nkohwe nya amamre ne amane na yenye ne yempe ne krabre kama sanso onye Ghana ni de hye ne akase yegina so akwakosie enu na posifo de ababetu dwa kire mu se na abrantie ka nipa be miensan wo mutu kwan na ka no mu etimu no registration number no na eye GT 7405-16 eti ebro mu na bupe ene tamale kwantempo ne so adwada no ena kwambukafo frihi o onbeto so mu so sha sesom tututuo ento mu tutuo di bi ena ebo ka no tai ni mu o afede ka no ndimi nko na je ya ne so mbe ye dai etututuo na bi ka abrante ya oyensem dwani ewo ingresi abrochimemu ene abrante baako ampa akonfo ne so ebo modin ya adwuma pa so mu ka so mkwa ye adwuma enti mobile phones ni sika ye ntimi modini ena mo efa ade koye enam so amasesi ameka se di abrante no empenifo se di emu no ekwa abrochire amanone ayekwa akohwehwemu kama na afesu ya pene krabre na adwuma ku a oyemu adwuma no enu yensentwe adwuma na ne din ene MTA no mpenifo ede sama babonti na mo ekasa kyerem se abrante we po pedwuma ne nyansem ketwa wo suma no asam rehye kwotwe amansa bodwusem kropo a obekwa akoyi aba yasuma ne se omra Ghana meye documentary fambre ye obi nim de ba ye na agya fofia ntoata no adware aba mu a akwamukafo akotututu amana hwe ne nkwan etie mabusu nyada ya akokafra ne hyeden yegusu a yehye yehwemu ase ewa abrochire ne agidi se Ghana pedifo so be yehwemu ama wono mo ye sa ne ma ne etimi
eya na yedwuma no disadvantages e wo hu ne bi eno no but no areho ye be mabusu ne na yako abro looking at this story and then I'll be confirmed.
Diane is very unfortunate. I want to say, young Kasane war media no Ghana, I deal with that way, and the protection very down as the media men in this country. I think you could be foreigners, and you know these foreigners, you know, back for a reason.
Sure.
And the bounce from embassies near aware.
Yeah.
Say they are in this country.
Yeah.
This and this number. And back a camera. Sure. Especially before documentary. Sure. They pass through the right procedures. If you want to come home, sometimes maybe the more paga borgani and they can rent better cars and for security. But I don't want somebody who share nimpanimu no munya de field. Be the bank. Yeah. We say no try we do those things. It's very unfortunate. Say it's me akobani say, but then you can say because you see you can say you nyan to say so mom kun no ya chibi and I say be abani say, but your best security they say on my fufu so sa ne de omo fan che o then they would omo tiase say omo media man be free omo krom aba no be wo Ghana no you can't trust and yes simple sir by now abanim penny for mo de that position biano yin semiano because automatically abandon so betu no me also Canada for na ira no obekan kwala Canada kwala bi be ira o girls be ira o kuma sia say you know omo yi omo CID for fro no mo baaye si em be hwehwe and se be track camera si na bobo ahonjo run about you say can fa say omo track ye hu say ye ko fro anom say ye ko fa ya de fanko. But Ghana no a be ding. You be shrimping for. Be security no. The kind of security say you fan. Then me and robber. What co prison and boken no man say. Na a whole police superintendent and another AK-47 mom ko ye juma.
And the same security, man is there. He's still working.
Me see guy otuno ko interview na me share.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying that NSA police penny, you know, he's still
so even so now crocodile pension pono no at his time was doing it so automatically somebody too is doing it now because the armed robbers are using AK-47 and stuff and no be a say security for no crowd boy mo amomu yebi ti da no man yetimu sen media man o onu na okofa adeboni ebesi abekire wo kronfo no se hwe ohun su ye na we betimi si no yekuna to atwene krom ha media ni be na ewu a wo de enka no kre ewu a police wetimi achi ni pe bi se magana obi ewu ni se mi we comedian ni e me ye chi no then oman yetimi ohun mi se wo na mabon ho ban mi ti wo so wo bo mi tuo na ewura mi mu afase na manyakopon because mi ti bi da me bo mi ho ban so wo twa me se kan na ekwa fase na manyakopon because mi ti bi di ti me bo mi ho ban o man we say police ni ti me bo ho ban o before God the man no policeman will protect you because police na wo man ni mu sa see e kase each policeman and say nipa do you know policeman be contain nipa more than 30 it's any pattern so mo bu police ni then the bit it's wa wonder man bon ho ban ye kum MP da bronsan so 5 years or 6 years ni still yan ka asem ni wiye na wa auto tomatoes wa auto moko into wona ma twa husu ye me futu ano no
Ava terrible very sad
Mr. ni dim na maka say Ghana ya digimi say ya na ntoka bi abeto aya bra ye ni idea because say yen na modidi ya yen kasa odi kodi go bia on do ba be yen hwehwemu na odi bi be ye wati aka we nyame anya adom wan ko pie country bia omo wo subanya ombechi Ghana ni bi o wa hede twetire e de abekire mo say ya ye nyamo pe mo nye
komo kuya de
ya na mpanyimfo ne fa ne matra na yen nya so be ko be wiye ade America yin si ne ntokwa soli sesi a e ma soja fo na kobo na ado ifie ho ban nya bobo MP se wo position ni nyina ahemfo ho ban ne ye gya ye yagum nti ye mpata ntokwa no still na ado da so ye opampanyina e friend na ado na sabi opemfi otumfo ye se tutu da so di asante akonya me ne omi enu ne ya firi yes because ye ni bambo eno na wo se yetimamfo ade bi se esi a ye sole mo ye ni bere mampanyimfo ne hu se ne omo ye no omo ya ma na betia ye ne a da yanka ne sese kofu omo bakura ya na ani kakwa titwensu o titwemura semu de mo na mumu am titwom kwa no mo kire ni age se om ba ba bi atise yi na he ni akwa akosie na sa kromfo wi oba de dum ye na ye nsa ka no a na o ma sa aka akire wo se ye ko hwehwem eno ne bu de ye mabufu wo wi ase mi de hwehwemu de nka me ba mi wi ase ade ye hwehwem ne se ya kire aboro se de aboro akokum nipa empalew na aboro kum nipa ni wiye ya yes one na kan was ofalumba de ne hwehwe e bi abro de yawo na e kan sa o di asem na se ba onu amu a age ne ho atum se wakum nipa ne de hwehwe mu ni firi hidi I was say time bi a many nipa ne kire ni di yen sati example nkire obi a obi buro ni ne ho fe ne ho akono ubekom nkofo ya kwache ni ebi anima ya sasabe resting nipa twade akona ni ho mo no di 2 minutes abegina kwan ni ma ya sanse mu nko wanye ne nya ho nkwa no ma sa mo ahwede ho nkwa vaso be ni nya no woso aye chibia ne de omudi aguro fe recent said yes ya chimna nti omakum nipa ba ku bi kura de nyam me bo ne ha okura nipa ni ti sei na gromofu odum no twetire no kura no nso be ni sei ya na odi akoni abana ne ho ato yesra mpanyimfo no omo nsole waka na sa anim guase ni mfiri oman Ghana so eno na mekan na de be wie me wo faase na ado danko akufu ado his excellency say oma na nimre no osi nkete wo na bere so ma bibi mu ntwa na sa be ye kam ebe yan ka ne ntad ntama wo fira konya so because e do so Ghana do
easy ya na ya
dan confident ke ba wi akwa adwuma no body program akwa ho nketen ba bi obewura wetinyansa dan na akwa we ewu se wo kwa yie yesi ya poison up to ne yantimi anhunu one namfo ne nam woni se bia busuan okoda ne fie yeni mu bakuro be sra no yeni Krom has a security sentiment to show my wound say if you assume a na abentene. Dayan jakra. Yet Krom and no hin kase me shada money din sa 5 stars and 1 star Krom from the or hini wu ye. Sa wa hini wa huni American dey. Wa hini ya wa biye sa you know. Wa hini wu ye. Wa hini so dey sabin ke kofi kase ma an go ben panimfo pa. Wa hini wu okra dey say na me GDC e be hwehwemu. Ele besem etwa na ya de ne ye je na mpanyimfo mpo ye yom se ya ye de so mnyom de be taa da ho
moya
da bia me se sumu awurade yi na ji ahaban di
na be ko ni yeah well me that sorry I'm the brain now no pay and say yeah that's which na Afari hospital na mu nsem e to ade ncheche on social media. A lot of people are really talking about it. It's as Captain Smart at the buy no among for see Ghana you will be say any brain I'm penny for me to quite come on it e kwajaya resa na yetime for etikrom ha na ye bre any ajade wo hwe mfidie machines go any ajade you can see say Ghana is your wante. But we think some of our leaders are really not helping. Now when I told you some machines are ya abandoned no e wo ho any ajade but we've gotten someone or no or wo or insider or your person no extra komo. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning, sir. You've been to me morning. Hello? Hello, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Okay. And I pay a flower and your bonnet. You best stop with my, you know, the update concerning what's happening in Afari. Because you have to say, a man for Eki can say, oh, Captain Smart, a buyer, no, or the drone and a buyer, and to no one far hospital anymore or confer train. But then, hospital Nankasano, you knew. But it's sunset or the drone a buy into no, now or capture from the back into no. Why how Becca say ye bibia and na yemfa enye adwuma wo being there how true it is all right but okay me ba cho ai okay Mama no kwai am na remember and no enam so man the drone and they be capture from the back Okay. 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 Me pacho wada Roma, mami Mr. say, echa say adwuma na kasa yenwie. Okay. All right. Okay. So why we not using it? But I didn't know for you see. I don't know okay. Matiwase. Matiwase pa, Matiwase. Say an answer. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Maybe start with you. Also, Oka say, I never acquire a penny say and company for better market. Doesn't mean some more Juma you're not being paid. Now, Okasano Mitsi, we am. Oka say, I never acquire pet sempany for the share a hono amamu, a market piano. And to me, send my business say, more Moya Juma hono, Yen Siamokana. Oh, okay. Mommy, a bit inquisitive, and that's one. Send our OG officer and so. Okay. All right. Per day, and hour. From 8 to 5. Near market or 35 cities. That doesn't mean per hour, and I say per day. Oh, okay.
9 hours.
Oh, okay. It's a 9 hours. Yeah. More bread. One last question. One last question. Person maybe so. I will say Abrana yeshe video no. You who say cylinders are a whole nyina no a whole efu. But now what can say? Cylinders thing na no. So if you cry or move you jumane cry. Your commission first phase no. Yeah second phase no cry we are still. Baby our cylinders no go no. E hwa na ebe go no. Na okay. 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 Matu was a bad na muye juma wana mama ibi kra we a e wo sabonti na esi no e ho afusa. I don't want to I don't want to I want to do something in my contract. I don't want to be on that show. And to my contract, they are not contract. I want to contract. Then I want to be on the contract. If you are on the contract, they are here. They are for the community and here. And you I want to make you. That is the whole everything we are machine okay. All right. All right. I see. All right. I remember. Yeah. I see. All right. And you know, Medawasi are not paying. Well, in fact, Medawasi were in Chuma, my Yamin come home. Now, I say, I could tell you, the band will be as 50 cities a day cry. And say, Abua, I'm almost no more ex me. Thank you for something to us. I saw my insider, our Afari Hospital, that's the 38 military hospital. Our Afari and our education come on briefing us about the fact to say your commission first phase, second phase in your commission, and I think say after commission the second phase no, and a very complete, total complete. Now one more exime a year juma. That means the World Cup Sun board is really bad though, but I'm say or the drone a call and a drone also no one fat anymore if they change you over track from a stroke. It's one shall be going to say everything is complete, but according to the inside and all the drone, it's so Abro.
Nah. Baby, a complete.
Alright.
Or say, a Jumano first face, you
yeah.
And I'm saying somewhere November, December, no man paying a commission here.
Sure.
But the excuse no man, me want me fan convince me.
Really?
Yes, because I see you really be a pony installation in Pono, you come school and you be. It means uncle Sians on Babe. But I see a movie no nurse for no doctors from the barn, so much school. I didn't know one course at school, no, whilst they were doing they were fixing the machines, you know. Because December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. We're talking about 10 months now. Sure. School, so you didn't say school, you're not going to be delayed, sir. We should have taken them to school whilst they were building it because we knew, sir. And yet they are automatically, and you be my mouth for you to my dear. And no, yeah, excuse her, yeah, the man, yeah. See, best original minister in penny for say, see, we surface and me, your mom, school, your mom started because people are still sleeping on the floor. That's what we are preaching. Yen na ye pomani yen tin ya build sano. Then oka na ketiano. In fact, my serisa. Me jume bi a me apply o US. And na pay me ba no ma send me message. Na omo twa me letter am say me ye adwuma e 1 hour bia no mo mark me $45. Okay. 1 hour. Yeah. So now me tie na me boss say 45 times am say me 8 hours. So 45 times 8 hours, that's going to be 360 Ghana. They can't say my member.
Where is $40?
$360. No, $45 times 8 hours. No.
Yeah.
When you're saying $360 US, right? So let's multiply by this Ghana scheme. Automatically, me 1 hour me 2,304. To me divide by 2. Next, let's say the year you more American, so you tell the $45 8 hours now, or change the pen 2. I said the Ghana no war after 1 year 1 month. Now I just still could be brutal. 8 hours a day, Sikano. 8 hours, you know. At the side, you'll be one for a year, Juma. Now you're paying 2. Now I just fast still a bit brutal because our car 35 cities are who work by 30 kwana, 1,000, I think 80 or something. Okay. I just see to a lose. But then, you know what? The problem is not coming from the workers, neither coming from the government. Okay. But contractors no more contract, you know. Boys. Obekomuno, nebia Chinese firm be, Indian firm be, and a company be outside na contract, you know. They cannot bring workers from outside. It is so much for Ghana. Ghana ni no die ni no fani panabeka zopeni. Na se Ghana die. O man savane because ejuma edin. O man e time require any problem. You know what? Ejuma edin kese pa ye machine work. Me see me first fie me ni machine for me hu hjem bi. Omo bo pickers no. Omo the tape no twen 1 feet ya wona bo na me so me bobi. Na dan baby e din pan say ye machine motor no. Ni edi bi suaw. Wodi emika ko hwegu no wase di emika ba be fa no. Enye easy. Wodi aduma no 1 week. Wodi ago ba yale be 3 days. But ahun chire nti no Ghanaian boys are forcing ade say machine etu o contractors no. Ye the pickers etibi tu. No what trust ni ma twa nyanko be maka 1,080. Wodi invest 1,001 mpa. No the money per se. Ni pe make say ebiti ebu akwa. Ebiti tanoso. Ebiti agri transportation price saying. Abanisa do you do my crop for no say so you cement 10 bags no you say no we are for akwakoton enti ye besi dan no enche bia na dan nebu ye be sire labor commission say na ka contract be say no ye sire omu fo mu njim on say system na wa Ghana no na ka o ka say dey application kwakoto labor office ejuma ba na ka labor office for ejuma no ba na bia bon to bia na be fa but enche dan ye need education much about that. It's a contract be basana. Labor office fund will say minimum wage. I say the money in Pano Ghana. I say no. You calculate the for money pan because then okay, construction work pan here 1,000 cities a month there before got the man. Eh yeah. But there's no job, so you don't want to stay at home. That's what I'm saying. Don't take advantage of your brother. Say there's no job. Obakwe 4 man free. Ebi efu. Obakwe fa. No I bet check ya ko si by way by. Wo am pina sika kuro tua na wo tua. Eche obi busu mi pay. Tie be sire peni for say nyina fa enwunjim. Aba ne san MCC the MPC na wo. Na mo musu bi won ship say enkole yo mu ye adwuma yi. Obo no mo to aba na man yi. Nti omo nya adwuma de enko hwe so ma ketua no ete san. O say boy you complaining. Adwuma no say adwuma fu samin nam kase me fa na adwuma ma ne 1,500. Obi jai o. Do you know that? Obi jai odi am I can say am fin mo se den. Am fin. E na odi ye adwuma no. So onye ne pe oni ese okodi be 4 hours e de to block 20 krana obeto chene ho no de be 4 hours to block be se temple ti sire penifo e ba ne say na moma ya mbo because enye saa de e koso no dan boys ne be delay saa ma second phase no one we be 2035 sire we need the hospital we need it so that we can get jobs the we need more betumi aye no come for now ne static akra because I think nipa kom ne ye adwuma skaba no de betimi kura dia finish e training time so ti be sere regional minister na wadawma omode na bo ani MB hospital for me yeah the chief uncle yan ene da ho no ade akono ne sa branch ya be defend ba wasa dia asem foforo aba ade ntia na onim so defend ba de nsem bebere aba ade yan ade nti ne se captain be twa yenya ne ba bi mienu first one yenya yenyina yedi ho ya no bibia no atwese ye ho adwuma enyi ibia twese ye ho adwuma betimi ayi nti yeto ye de aye musa word commission na kire san ye de ya bon won meka nche e kasi ya commission ade bia sai na kire yeah aye timi commission ade wie sa be ka kire say ye wie me nte sa abrofo na say so say some parts is completed nti ma ye wie na commission it is because the captain akofaba so also not to clear the air danya me say nti o man panyin me wie prakunu commission na me ye power ye ka ne ye kan ye nim sa ade bia ye wie na kasi ya commission means yetimi ye wo bibi ma no ye
Enti me enwie na se wi hwe ne mu ne yehunu se wa ye bibia na ase sei.
Oh, do you think so?
Adanyan. Who si fie unwie. Wo so o fie no awie ntu pese obi ano. Ye ba bia no wie na koda ho a wo se aka ne ma ba ko me elu menye. Eni ogo bia no ye den.
Okay.
What you asem na se? Di amunya hwehwe ne mu nto obu nwi ade e preko. Ansa no mbe ye ne omo ya o maye. Dan na fe ye ba. Media me di bram ni nyina be ma na nado ene na mamuo. Firi se. Se wo apontu obi afa ne contract so nko ye adwuma ma. Wo ko ho. Se be mpanimfo ne ko mo tem kura ne yawo. Bo mo 10% o ma ginti no. O mo ntimi nka ma nkura no. Adwuma de acha dan yan hinsa de. Be ye ko ye nkura ni nyina esu. O so hu se dan yan nyo na ye adwuma no. Ye nkura no na be ye ama wo. Se be me ye wedding. No obi me ye decoration ma me. Na master na oji sika boden na ama. Nkura no na aba. Me hu se nkura ba want to na we to o de wo yare. Ati da bi o na mi ni di ye. Madam, se wan pe bibia ma na wedding na nsai. Nti se wa se madam no na afren gra friends ma me hu we. Wa ki sika. Tuni so man nkura ni dia wa abra fe wo be ye madwuma ma me. What you say na say? I'm going to mo team money because contractor dey as a good leader no. Sa atini we na wo so ogene. Eti oni mo bebre wo ha e koso a mpanyimfo na me de bia no me de be show mo so mo mani mra mo so na niam nyina ntito di mfa maye. Da ye to so bi me ka che captain say me sere no ya mo mfo tan nye sa na ma me de sa de na am kra chi me mpanyihwa ni mu bia. Wakwa twade ni nyina abra. Ye hu se na no ade ba ye hu aspat nko asa e ko gyan so wo ho. Asase kokko yi so wo che se ye nwie. Keni nyina.
That's we hold the
Etu ba wo bo ha ne kakra. Na wa yiwe ni so ba se.
Manankom.
Wo o wankom na de wonya ye. Eye drone de na miyem. Nti ede no timi nyanya asase gonya cylinder si form. No wentimi anya ba bia hoye kokko no. Mesra no. Wo ye sa na nipa tres je wi ana se wo tan nipa. Family no ni nyina bra. Aha ya wie ye betuma ye mu adwuma. Mampanyini mpese ye be ye mu adwuma. Aha de omunya wie. Sanke de omunwie kura be kan ka be ke sepanya de ketwa. No be a cow, can no can. Yes, any penny which had be and somebody for your young class. Went to me, Chama Monko, and Bess Asma, Fonayana, or Smash many panel.
I was
after the catch a gun and penny for them. More Monko fret palage. I will, Jim was so be a Casamir hand voice near Unio Cocanse or Missy Casano. I'm going to me. One in the only more, my domino and Uncle Port anymore. Contractor be your god, I got flat palage upon my way of Ross or what? Or the Betty voice ringing. Ye pi hela sumno na otie wone no aya na so na ye interview ya sako nyame obetua sa contractor ne ka omuma nkra ni di men na omutimi nya adwuma pa emu o man Ghana na urade so mie ye mpanimfo adwen ka adwen ne wo fom unim se da ye omusi dan we ko beto ma doctors nurses akwa training no but the reason is I new a project and a doctor be able to say hospital kase so be ye mu adwuma ejo mo twan mamre na so na fe panyin odan no abebuso om se wa o pese sa protocol ye bai unya mu bi ni bram 1000 bram 2000 ne ma untu kwan mu be tu kwan na akosua de no eduma me 100 million mefe so ugosua be ho na abaye adwuma e wa akatua ne wo soro enu nti no mo gosua de no
nyame hu yombo
na nyame be tua ni paka enu nti o Brian
say omo hwe na omo nko free parade
omo free
because it can happen right like you love to know who granted the interview
when the kasa Kumawood TV no but on say in a way Kumawood TV so no get story bi sana na obi di bi ba yentimi ntena ho
no
we need to do further investigation ya ye no because expert could try to buy ye kan wansem and obi o sabe o pusa nunu a na o tene kankan tie tene ne ye woso na akwa no so kiki no o so na Kumawood fa ne ma mmam fele o eni ye hu se ye wie bebi so say ye bo ha say ye wie ye ko ye dwuma de wie no so ye nye no so fa kan because we need it scan dey say dey actually wie de ye nye dwuma.
Okay, Phil just says that Diane here in Europe your school can't actually take pictures of the students without permit, consent, or take pictures of projects with the approval of the authorities. Fellas, upon that check, okay, fine, cool. Dramani says that Ghana have a long way to go. Actually, Ghana, Ghana is very, very sick. Ghana leaders need change. Derek Kakari says that, hey, among Ghana, is it what? Ebu National, yeah, that's Ebu National Diamond or Ebu National Dramani says that, please, okay. Tom Post says that $45 for wear in America, abroad. that's $35 in America. And so I don't know any calculations. Say, okay, fine. So you be at me just say, I'm just saying, I'm just saying, we say we cried it also saying Ghana, they say. So that's his analysis anyway. Phil Jones says that abroad you are funny. Ask them how much they pay for rent, water bill, and electricity. So don't compare it to Ghana. Yes.
Adi abroad taki na say a day no asebenya 20 something million
one day we 20 something million
times a month e be say this 250 million na dan kran anyo
what for money we say $45 you multiply by what they ma kono a week we are come 5 days you multiply by 20 we are talking about $900 now
listen, you see the face I'm just doing my face of style towards you say listen all calculation now oh no that's where she live he or she live but always no omo claim we say I say it is not as
he or she is not I've told you say me wife to Canada me mommy and say Canada what are you telling me me one mommy and say Canada me here to Canada me your business go Canada but so he cannot tell me say me boy
sometimes
yeah this kind of scan baby about 500 million
okay
say your mortgage we be treat your mortgage we light bills near the ring remember food but the big now we be 2 fie no at least what Jimmy Pona you are expected to get like 10,000 or 15,000 a month what Jimmy Pona you should get it maybe you're lazy. Some are working 2, some are working 3.
Maybe he has only one job.
We have one job.
Maybe he has only one job.
We have one job. My calculate America, you may pay almost $45 an hour. May 8 hours. Multiply by the 8 hours and you multiply by 5 days in America. Me pekwa me ko Saturday Sunday account.
Pray, me say, ya na ye ba ho e ha omo.
Ye ba ho so, e wan ko de ya ba ho kra wie dada.
Ba wo se okay. Sika ya bubo sika na MP grant me ni. Doctor kura nya se sika no. What you say? And so me go na di pakro no. So sam ene mo ene gu kam anu ho agate ani. Di sa so akura pan kura de.
Apple ne
what you say cabbages.
Me say ye nua ye o kasa abiti o de omra me di holidays. Me am etua nka 2000.
3 days. Obeka just say adwuma yi ne time aso. Isi gasa.
No, I want here. I want the wotete wo light ni wo beto aduane wo grocery wo betete bibia be wie no.
At least you have something.
Then me say
aha o dan kan so anye bosia ntimi ntua because wa atua nka bi na ho.
Bisani say e ho no wo no. Check the credit card you good at. No better no abrochire one.
You kill me. No,
you
kill me.
Ya kan ko mu ti abrochire no mu ya bo say de enim de koso. O credit card e you good. E wa amanone a. Unni bad record bi amasa won chiro da. Ti say we lazy. Ya wo mo amanone o mu ye lazy. Abrochire ko a ya wo mo da bon ti ya wo mo srade. Ya wo mo abai mo aduane di. Ya wo mo ye dwumaden. Mr. Ghana for bit me 8 hours me and sense na dia ati.
Dan ya say obi wo chiri oye media adwuma. Yetima soma ne Ghana etwa printing ta ye bi ya so be.
Na yen.
Embra he na Ghana ni. Ye man na document say abrochire ko kamera. Ye so kokura be.
Ah ene won.
E won dia oya da ya system no ye share ha.
Oh yeah.
Of course. Oji go ra kwa no ko share kwa kasem ko share boss.
When you are on one chronic capre. Well, you know na Tani. E dey petrol dia omunya isam community. E nsira omo say omo hye nkran ze menu amon tutu sumra. Eno ne dey also omo ka kire. Dan e dey petrol sa o. E dan han ne mu asam na ya no omo. E so dey bit tifiri say nya bitumo.
Na
ya hawa anye bosia na aka so ntimi ntia.
O akoye oje.
Because you can wadi
Wo fa akoye oje when you say check is can 1,050 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Right? Pay no canoe.
Yeah.
Because I'm working on normal 30 days, 1,050 cedis. Now, and me and I am meeting Mukurampo. 2 years in this country. I am paying more than 10,000.
Yeah.
Now, what is 1,000? How many months will we do 10,000?
Yeah.
So, I'm rotating up and rent here. Yan terms kaka say be 5 billion no da kwaji da yo. You are 200 pounds and bless am bo anso a. O kwaji dan na every month be na say wutua month no so a.
Na wutua.
Na wutua ne kaka bi kwa obi na age mortgage no. Na ne nua Ghana fo bi so age 1 bi eti musu so no my contribution dey tua. So we know all these things. Ye won tire o man ni mu. Yan ka no kwantire ye ho mama ne ntro ka say abrote ti sa.
Ene wonu ne ho pa.
Opamla and we mean say wonu ne ho pa ya fan no ba te na dey.
Well, mama ko WhatsApp na me say metimi aka WhatsApp message ba ko bi ho a and Sana made the last story now but it's in English, so definitely I know most of us are really going to speak English today. Bro, I'm dying to hear him. My lady, good morning to you all. Please tell Abro I am in a job. I have a job. I've been in the house. I think I don't have a job. I've been in the house almost 2 years. So you should actually please help me. I don't want to be a bad person. Anyway, I can't really get it. I think say we need Juma and I will pay Juma after the show. Mama abroad I with me after our back depending on what some of them. Good morning, Diane and your crew. Come find the okay, that's you. That's what Tana say, anyway, hey Charlie, don't buy pressure, give yourself a beg. Okay. Make of my last story and fa emrel and ne anapawi. But I'm on Facebook Live. This one J. Cole says that I greet you, Meadow Quad Bakope. Thomas Shiba for Williams, you're watching. For John says that bro, your wife has actually claimed single mother, so she get government support. Don't mind him. Well, Thomas, Diana and your crew. Good morning, Diana. I'm not seeing it, so whatever. I'm going on. Jacob says that greetings to you all. Kumawood Koowaa listeners and viewers. Don't mind him. Even we nurses don't get that. And what qualification he's going to use to get $45,000. But the monk pay him. For Jones says that, bro, you are funny. Ask them how much they pay for rent, water bill, and electricity. So don't compare it to Ghana. Your year's advance is someone's 1 month rent in America. Burunto. I think you're truthful. Tom Paul says that $45,000 or $45 for where in America, abroad. Please, blah 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 blah. I'm skipping this one. Derek Akari said that, hey, Oman Ghana. This one says, Ghana have a long way to go. I'm a Ghana. Ghana is very, very sick. Ghana leaders need change. A whole lot. For Jones says that, Diane, here in Europe, your school can actually take pictures of the students. I read this one. Middle class says the sound. Okay, middle class. For Jones, abroad, don't forget you can't actually protect yourself from cutlass and gun. But don't forget, we women can kill you easily upon all your protection. Watching and watch. Emilia Frimpoman says that the fact is that in Europe, the rent is high, but you still get something to save. Tell them the truth. Okay. My last story, Mede Ebro and Anopawe, no Nameka will say we're streaming live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, streaming live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. So keep sharing the program for others to be part of it. Ababa Obi, that your Baba teacher, also no up a divorce or power jaya. The reason tell the power jaya or say Sebi Lukono, Nebema is na Wawari Emretting Kakra. I feel no Sebemano, the Bemesa or divorce. They should be doing my state.
How? And now for so say, 7 quarters are Wareno.
Oh, ma, 1 for semi say, Nicotis, I may mamma wareno. Bet me fire me or farmeno. Me dono.
There be memfa udo kuna unconscious sabe, on Punada da Cotti, Esho Chanady. Edidia Tem in the first class. If we meba. Why you be because Mimi Busausa, Anyam Bia, 7 Manisha, now say I shot. Namsi Daintiness also pay, Cotic Tintin, Coticessi. Yes, sir.
Me patron.
Also say,
me patron.
Mante opedi.
Cotic Tintin Cassia.
Sir, Churchill Crudian name and yet something. Me say, I challenge you, and that's one Churchill Kruba Mamma and yet something I won't connect. Churchill Manway. So the open Tintin Nickesia, and then not just uncle for bet you. Not just uncle for bet you.
Mamma uncle phone to me.
That's also the open Tintin Nickesia.
Say no what or German.
Now make one now can't have some junk amenko. Open Tintin Nickesia, meba, Mude Muntia de meba.
Yeah, Madrid say the Uti Bia Meadow. Abeski. Why no no good many months to train a bush for saying Mimi Muadi. You need to be Muadi. say one will be here, say mimi more day. The men so, see my bush and food, some yammer catching the dainty and me moon. Into many men, only my die back, pay what the injuries, many more. My mother said they would be a metal home, Sam door. Yet they are shank for that. As you see a person change, who many months they are chain a bush, you are 14 and I say, so one will be at the same. Miss Mercat in the bush of the dainty and moon, who's 20 men, only my die back, pay. When your majesty may catch you be a met now, sir.
Ajuma Manza. Emperor do not send our person who couldn't order.
Emperor do not send.
I know here. See a primo.
Me here 3 times.
3 times. Now, I get into me room. My Bame would have bank as a moon, mammy. Man patcher ram, but a ram's wench. Then in a ram wench. A minute in Abba. Now I don't know. So soon to me, you jack on a manager. Na young mass, sir. Mimusa,
Jojo in a pa.
Ujojo, I say. Jojo Mene. Achuma Mansa, one Jojo Mianco. Now, who refine by Achuma? Mamma, Kumasa Brono Bensonate. No, Born. Also, Jojo now 1 minute, Naba. I didn't know I was a 1 minute never. Meaning, dear, yeah, man, now I also fray. Mamma float was a blenny sissy or quite my blade until me she. Naya Chene, Mr. Cheno. What you chin is sissy? And I am a ya. Mr. Chenon so still, and my. Then Emma. Then Emma. King Kim and Ma. What do you tell my father some pay? Ma, Ninami and Minion, Nadia and I'm a taffel home. And I still am. So I'm. Didn't ya? Ma, Minimosi or Yarini sissy. Me, yes, I cry me kuno, maybe the Achuma do the Miku. Only bear mate. And I want who is sing tall, and then them ray. Said maybe I'm making 1 year Juma sa until or sitting if you may near Juma or Coba and take or quite Juma bia, Omrefia no my primo, and opa, area, and you may, as an open. Man, come in pen and opa, area, you may bet. Say, and you may cry, only not so me and say, me and no cry, farmer may pay. There be a barco passion. Nothing you couldn't quite a copasho back. How? I know so terrible. You know, I am not sebi, Mr. Mekong. I don't get it why I am not a money be. It's me do more problem, say a cop public. And I also a bema, na sebi, na ya friend. Then you have the tenacity. Now I got not radio, so Mr. Mekong. Now also what's the 1 year they come out like what can we? So after that. Oba na kopeno and I also obano after that bema be you see me go radio for mom so come here radio you want to but they say this dance
da bumpa say ura sam da kus bit me ko yi wedi me sam da kus hwe me pa enti where ye upon toilet no yi onyi madi una where ye abron die from abeko say and to what them say toba bi wo bogo super so you remu na say what to court the man you see ababa we say
English na marry you I say no go
ahead with the hand between a question
it doesn't really matter go ahead so do you think when they call you go and sit on radio and say that would you go
what I mean
no I'm coming will you go
when it get to the west
you will go and defend yourself
yes. When you get to the west,
people to see that you are 1 minute man.
Forget about people seeing me. That's what the lady is saying. And if it is true, the lady is not a doctor. The lady is not NY Caesar. He's not a Chinese worker. And I think she have complained in her house because if you listen to the voice, when she called the guy, she said, "You see, I've been complaining this, and if you're disgracing me to my family, I'm also going to tell them why I don't respect you. Sex is very important when it comes to marriage." That's why some pastors will invite all the women and let their wives talk to the women about sex life. Even the positions that you have to give to your wife, it should be better. Not Adam and Eve. Solely and 1 minute. Are you cock? What are you telling me? Even dogs do go like 5-7 minutes. You can watch a dog having sex and you enjoy it like 5 minutes.
What are you talking about?
I am telling you the truth. We are no more kids.
I'm not saying we are kids, but
we are educating the public.
my problem is, you know, you being the man, if you go and sit there, people get to know that, hey, you were 1 minute, or probably you can't do well at all.
The point is,
and you have probably a small dick.
I don't know who took the issue to the station.
It was the lady.
The lady who took it, and maybe she says something against the guy. Okay. So definitely they have to call the guy to come and justify what the lady said. And you come in, the lady said she doesn't need you again.
Yeah, because.
And they asking her, what is her reason? It's not that the guy is an armed robber. It's not that the guy doesn't respect me. It's not that the guy is beating me. But the point is, he cannot satisfy me on bed.
Because
the penis is too small. So if your wife has, complained to you that your penis is small, you can call her, bro. Call me. I will give you some medicine that you take within 2-3 weeks. You will get bigger one like my own.
Medicine?
Is that
only medicine?
Oh, Diane, you see, when women start complaining about sex, as a man, you need to try and find solution to that.
Okay.
Because
the next step, this
your woman can act or pretend as if when sleeping with her she's okay, but at the end of the day she will go to another guy. So many women are doing it because they feel like if I tell my husband that he cannot satisfy me, the husband may feel ashamed, like the way we are talking about this guy. So what she have to do is, as a man, when your wife or as a woman, if your partner complains to you that this is your problem, try your possible best to solve it. Then look at the way you even think about going to remove a woman's dress,
panty,
the pant. No, you start from the top, you get to the jeans or the skinny, you take it slowly, then some kissing be, then you remove the brassiere, you touch it to remove pants, you remove it gently. Okay. Then look at that minutes that you waste, more than 8-10 minutes. Then you go and insert your pen drive to the pen drive, then 1 minute you release. Other way I go. Then you see, the lady is, let's forget about the radio issue. Some women are having the same problem under their marriages and they cannot really complain, and they are doing fornications. They are taking every.
So you think she bringing the case here? Probably people or the women hearing this.
She have that.
Make a difference.
She doesn't have. Maybe she complained to the family, and the family think they cannot help her. You see, some family members will tell you, you have children with the man, so don't go. You have to stay with him.
But you can't feel anything.
Look at the question that they were asking. He said, when you saw that your man is 1 minute man, what did you do? She said, I told him.
Okay.
The only thing that she could do was to tell the man that what you are doing is not okay to me. As a wife, I am not going to tell your friend, neither your parents, but I'm telling you for the first, the second time. And if you think you cannot do anything about it, then I'm not married. I'm not going to tell you, but I'm not married again.
Because of my time of coming right here, would you go to a radio station and defend yourself when they say your pee is too small?
I will never ever. I will prefer to go to jail than to go and disgrace myself.
Good.
I will not go.
Okay.
Diane, let's see. Bible says when two people come together, they no more two again, but they are one. They become one. So what does that mean? I have studied this. If a lady have a fault or mistake, men try our maximum best to help the lady, so that you come out from that situation, that problem.
Some men.
But see, when it happens to a man, lady will not stay, lady will not wait, lady will not do anything about it. Especially when you get married and you don't have money, the respect that you deserve you will not get. But when you have money, lady will sit, no matter what you do. That is the reason why when man get money, he prefer to marry another woman to it. As for that one, ladies will not understand. But we have seen that you ladies, you always want a better things. You always want
good sex. Good sex.
You see your life. It's not good at all.
Okay.
It's not done that way. When the person become your husband, you have every right to help him in terms of situation. That will let the man feel that.
But the woman told the husband. The woman told the husband.
You have to do something about
it. Do what? Is she a doctor?
You know what?
Is the woman a doctor?
Sex is not about big dick.
It's very important.
Oh, no, how can it be only a big dick? No, it can't be only big dick.
The way I'm throwing it,
please flow.
It's not paying me for a big dick to count.
You flow and let's go because I
small thousand, big thousand. Which one will you buy?
It not count. Good sex comes from brain.
1 minute.
We have good sex. I said good sex. It comes from brain.
Really?
Yes.
How?
So if you have a lady and the lady, the akono baby, mawa.
If I lose, akono baby, what's akono baby? I don't understand English. The akono baby, what's akono baby?
You are all here. Akono was talking. He applied 3 more than 5. I was counting. So why am I speaking?
Apply your 1 tree. No. You apply. Flow.
It says good sex comes from mind. The moment you sack your brain, no, like you have the sex like on her. But if the pant is too according to you, no, you may see say still then you go. Diane, oh yes, sir. But don't be gentle in sex. And don't play nipa.
How?
You don't go crazy when you are doing sex.
Crazy in what way? You have to do everything. Do everything some.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And my man in him,
okay. There was so cool, baby. So you're dirty. Be the let's get dirty to ourselves. Okay.
Then maybe the catch was now was in the pizza. Then it just no.
Oh, okay. So wherever you can touch, wherever you can kiss, right? No, I'm coming. I want to be real here. I want to know. I want to understand. I want to help the people, our viewers, to get what you're trying to say. So what the dirty that you're talking about means that if you can be dirty with your wife, the woman is your wife. She's your wife. She's your husband. Yes. So you can go. You can do everything that you want. If you want to touch anywhere, touch. Yes. If you want to kiss anywhere, lick anywhere, you can do. Get dirty.
You have to,
so that you get the satisfaction.
The moment you finish doing the sex, let see that your wife is good and sit in the chair or on the bed. You do something.
My telephone lights are off. I'm taking only 3 calls and then
you don't do sex. When you finish, immediately then your wife is going to prepare food for you. It's not sex.
What, Papa?
When you finish, I'll say my legs are paining me so that you get to know that you perform well. Hello, good morning. Anyway. Hello? Okay, fine. So I'm here. This one says, Georgia, I would say that, hey, please, I'm driving on, but the last video is making me laugh some. Ghanaian men, if we just came back to say, if Ghanaian men don't actually know how to do foreplay, that's why they can actually stand for long. Made of course say, hey, this abroad dear, abroad dear, Emilia Frimpoma said, the fact is that I'm in Europe and the rent is high, but you will still get something to put somewhere. Anyway, I think the message is not a dozen, but hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Mami Tio. Okay. When I say hello, good morning. Somebody too is on my line. Hello. Good morning, my dear. Pacha Mamintio. Okay, then now. Nana Pacha Koso. Yeah.
So people are documentary to back on I am also investigation.
Okay.
I don't know within the course of being a documentary on the back on TV. Now, be say want to watch this. I someone like a wouldn't say it you. Now, would it get them then for within that? Program on the educative plan that Mr. Rano
okay.
Look at the painful devil. They can't get their own way and you live the way for the whole.
Okay.
Captain is not that way of way or divine. Being with the captain's match is way in the mouth. There's no way over for the creating my mother or somebody there will go after a year tomorrow. The way is more on to buy and I'm not about one thing.
Okay. All right. Say you be thank you so much. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Last call. I'm Rana in call.
Hello. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Maybe I try to one kind of integral baby and I'm into one kind.
Yeah, me better than come from there. You find out how they do get more and far because those share hospital now. Captain don't know what we give the video is better at the air comparison. What share video no more like and then what now just need to open you to care about it. And then we put it on for if you don't put it on to put that for the back. I should then move if you want to see the I have to like it. Yes, you can do it. And you yes what chance about I have to put it on sit down. You say I better no because they want to go to defend it. I don't know so penetrate for the one of wow. What's on problem with the on your life and the one and yellow.
All right, yeah, that's it. Me for call baby. I think send me brain no. Thank you, my director. Last caller now. Okay, me for call baby. Thank you, my director. Give me I think extra 4 minutes. It's offer your call.
I am no pass be a friend across your candy and lay na order. Okay, na coupon, which done. Na on tenation, money a man 10 or Abraboni. That Koku, America, every present day, Koku jump on Uncle one shilano, at the Robin Moses focusing on Yacham. Jeffa, I shall be on the Radin.
All right, Abra.
They are called a better chef was the chairman wife and chair 5 back for there are some dark which knows or Chianos. There have been French and farmer David fashions were suffered opposite obstacles. Chiana by and a penny. Now, the can say, Kumawood, a young and politics, and social issues, Koowaa, and some are Baba, and in the betrayal. The can want to say your opinion to France who are quite some such a one year by a friend for politics on Tintin and build your mind. Will be any politics and same Morgana and see. There you go. Namia Duma, a China minute. You were a Kusi Ajimai. Oh, yeah. GT, Ghana Tourism Authority, Penny, Mammy, Madame, it's not easy to one official. Okay. 5 party when you record.
Okay. All right, I shall my air quadia now. You fast the PC. Am I a boy for a Bribiano, Mutsebri or Musika Treaty? Edibasi, I said, you say, Bassens of Edamon, D4, and I a boy, Japan, probably a CP. Dr. Amagana, God bless you for always supporting us. The show was produced by Queen AJ Hipsy, executive producer Sam Dark, who's Medarati Uchuno, Kobe Frank and my cameraman. AJ, that's a lot of gay MC. I don't know why AJ's name is all over me today. But you better CJ Fashions, Masia Mekumura Kamia Sama, our Jebre, Esheme at our day. Number is 0268505021. And Mommy, you Lucky Princess Makeup for and AMT Edomami, meeting the Diane, Adomia, a Joda, Yepebocha, the Bekokobe, Yapakuja, a ma, Georgina. Or crack me, crack ma, you know, shitting.
Debbie, I'm a casa, you are haban, and you are haban. Yen, I yen him see a free baby and haban. In Fasoben, was so. Yenim so mfaso nti emu bebere dogu yemu bebere bonne duro se wo hye ase ahaban jani fiche wonim ne yede ye batra ne se didua na ba fa